Introducing our Colorido, a company that specializes in providing digital printing solutions to customers. Our focus is on innovative technology and design for personalized printing products. With a wide range of digital printing equipment, design services, and printing materials, we are dedicated to redefining what's possible in personalized printing. At Colorido, we believe that personalized printing is more than just a service. It's a way to express creativity and individuality. Our product, which is able to print high-quality, vivid designs directly onto socks, opens up a world of possibilities for businesses and consumers alike. Whether it's custom socks, apparel, or accessories, Colorido solutions redefine what's possible in personalized printing. Next, let us use CO 8210 Pro Socks Printer as an example to show you our equipment. This equipment uses a 4-roller rotating printing mode, which is biggest difference from previous generation of socks printer, that not necessary to remove the rollers from the socks printer anymore. With the engine drives, the roller turn automatically to proper position for printing. It not only increased the convenience, but also improved the printing speeds. Besides, the RIP software also upgrades to latest version. The color accuracy has been significantly improved to guarantee the high printing resolution. In addition to providing cutting-edge digital printing solutions, we also offer a range of printing materials to support our customers' creative projects. From high-quality inks to durable fabrics, we ensure that every aspect of the printing process is of the highest caliber. Colorido is more than just a digital printing company. We are a partner in creativity and innovation. With our focus on personalized printing products and our commitment to excellence, we are redefining what's possible in the world of digital printing.
FindSupply, a completely non-profit foreign trade service platform